Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to fix Discord API error. Now the first thing that you should do, if you are using your mobile data, try to use your Wi-Fi, and if you are using your Wi-Fi, try to use your mobile data. This is the first step. The second step is to simply go and open your Play Store or App Store, whatever you have, and make sure that you have the latest update. So I'm going to search for Discord, just like so. Then I'm going to go and click on it. Then I'm going to go and click on update and make sure that you have the latest update. Once you have the latest update, your issues will be fixed. Now, another thing to consider, if you have done everything and you still have Discord not opening, you should simply go back and open your Google or any browser that you have, Safari or any browser. Then you want to type here down detector, just like so. Then open it. Then you want to search for Discord. And if you find many reports on Discord, this means that Discord itself is down, and that's why it is not working with you, and that's why it's having the API network error. So I'm going to search for Discord, for example, and you will find many reports inside the last 24 hours. So that means that Discord itself is down. Now, let's see if we have actually installed the latest update. Yes, it's now installing. Now, if you still have the problem, you can simply go back. Discord, now I have the latest update. You can simply go back and click on Discord. Just hold on it, then click on this eye icon, this info icon. Then you want to go to storage. Then you want to go and click on clear data. Then click on clear cache. Then click on OK. Then if you are using your iPhone, you just have to click on upload app, then go and click on upload app, then go and click on yes, then try to run the app again. And if you still have the problem, you can simply try to uninstall the application, then reinstall it again, and your issue will be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.